President Museveni yabashendekerezibwe First Lady kandi Minister ori kujananizibwa ebyobwegese n'emizano Mama Janet Kataha Museveni kandi ebyabigamba obuyaba nagambaho nanabikiriza ahacugwa ecy'abakristayo ahari na mugongo ahakujaguza ekiro cy'abajurizi Bwiyashoborera ngo mwaka ogu government eheriza abakristo sente zikwingana biliyoni 2 abakristayo biliyoni 2 abasilamu batwara miliyoni 200 ahabwe mikoreji.
On behalf of the government of Mama Janet and myself, I congratulate all the believers in the new religions that started coming to our ancient societies in 1841.
Ajara nkurugirira ari eki yashara mukuragira government okugira ngo bakikore nkiteka bamenye ngo bine kuteka sentezi omu budget ahabo kugira ngo abanyayuganda bingi nibaba bariyo mu mikoreji. Emikoro eyakigwa ecy'abakristayo yayebembirwe aba Northern Uganda cluster ahansi y'omutwe uri kugira ngo imitating God's goodness by doing good. President Museveni yagaruka aha mukorogu yaghamya okwehayo kwa government okutungura ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe omumaramizo gatakushana. President Museveni yagaruka yijusya abanya-Uganda oku ekibina ekya National Resistance Movement kizire nkireta ebintu bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo kureta obwigo mu bantu okureba ngo habaho obusinje na nokwatanisa hamwe na nokureba ngo habaho enkoragana hagati y'amahanga aga East African Community.
The NRM identified 3 historical missions and 4 ideological principles. These are to create prosperity for all Ugandans through all adults engaging in producing a good or a service that they sell and get money to enhance their prosperity. That is historical mission number 1. Prosperity through wealth creation by producing goods and services.
Dr. Ruth Acheng yasima President Museveni ahabokwehayo ahabyokushomesa ebyamagara obusinje hamwe na nokureba ngo abantu batunguka.
Your Excellency, after 12 days of trekking, over 3,000 foot pilgrims from the northern cluster and thousands more from other regions arrived here at Namugongo. Their feet weary, but their spirits lifted. This pilgrimage has not just been a journey of distance, but of devotion, a reaffirmation of our shared faith, unity, and commitment.
Omuringo nigo gumwe the Most Reverend Dr. Stephen Kazimba Mugaru ori Archbishop owe kanisa ya Uganda kandi owabayebembire okushaba oku yahereza obutumwa bw'amani obukwatirine na nokwehayo okugumisiriza okugira amasiko hamwe na n'omuntu okureba ngo yayegaruza busya omu Kristo. Archbishop yahiga abanya-Uganda okureba ngo nibakora ahanshonga eziri kusingayo okubateganisa na munonga okureba ngo bafayo aha bintu ebikwatirine na nemitwe otireho na namagara gabo okutwariza hamwe.
Renewal and acknowledgement of God's faithfulness, mercy, love, and providence. This is not just an event. It is a spiritual pilgrimage, reminding us of the power of faith, sacrifice, and unity in Christ.
Bishop Kazimba yagaruka yagira ngo ashemerire kubaho okushomesa kw'amani ebikwatene by'obururu obwihangarire kuzo mu karuru akenkumi 2026. Omburizi owizoba Right Reverend Henry Rukorombi wabireho Archbishop we kanisa ya Uganda yaherezayo mabwe ari kwihirira omukitabo eky'Abagalatiya eshura ya 6 omushororongo gwa 5 ari kuhamisiriza abikiriza okureba ngo bine kurwanisa ekibi kandi bakarwanisa ekibi bakakirugamu na nebirungi.
The spirit of the martyrs of Uganda inspired our founding fathers of the nation of Uganda to come up with a great motto for God.
Right Reverend Godfrey Rowum or Bishop wa Northern Uganda kandi chairperson wa Northern Uganda cluster yayoleka okusima kwe ahamwena n'okwehayo okubakozise ahakwebembera emikoro eyo mwaka ogu. Mukoro ogu gwahikwaho abebembezi batari mwena bamwe abali mu Rebecca Alitwara Kadaga or First Deputy Prime Minister kandi ori Minister ori kujananizibwa eshonga za East African Community Right Honorable Amama Mbabazi owabireho enganzi ya Uganda Honorable Ruth Nankabirwa ori Minister ori kujananizibwa obwigabo mu itaka n'amashanyarazi otireho n'abandi bingi.